Hello guys, my name is Arteron Pebola, and now I will present the ICT report about my business plan on building my bakery. Number 1. Identify customer need. Customer want to good quality for price, especially for everyday purchase. Number 2. Target specification. Will you offering creating service, pre-order, delivery online ordering or other value-added service. Number 3, analyze competitive product. Identifying business offering alternative product that could satisfy the same customer needs. Number 4, generate product concept. Offer online classes for customer to learn how to bake specific pastries or bread at home. Number 5, select a product concept. Eliminates the need for parchment paper, contributing to a more sustainable baking process. Number 6, refine product specification. Bakeries need to set clear specification for all raw ingredients, including for yeast, water, sugar, salt, and fat. Number 7, prepare a delivery plan. Identify local competitors, their strength and weakness, and potential market gaps.